I don't know how this lighting is, and it's killing me.
welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you from Yolissa Hair. They were kind enough to send me some bundles, and yes, you heard that right, I did say bundles. It's been such a long time since I have made a wig, had bundles, all of that kind of stuff. Didn't have time to be sitting making wigs, but I made one this time and I love it. So as far as the hair that I'm wearing, I have in 2 bundles of 24 inch and 1 bundle of 22 inch with a 20 inch closure. So I would say for this Malaysian straight hair, if you want the exact look that I have, then 3 bundles is enough. So as far as the closure that I have, I believe it's a 14x4 a 4x4 closure, but I will put everything in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out to know exactly what I'm wearing, just in case I like mess it up and I say something completely wrong. But pretty much you get 4 inches here and 4 inches there, and so I will only be wearing this wig in a middle part. That's all I can really do, and that is really what I wanted. I think I've only worked with Yolissa hair, I want to once for sure, maybe twice. Maybe it's been twice, but it's been a long time, and every time I've gotten their hair, the 2 times I've gotten it, I have loved it. I think they have some of the best hair out there, and I really don't have any cons, any complaints, anything. The hair is beautiful, that it's soft. So as far as the wig goes, I did make this wig. I did just do the hot glue gun method. That's how I pretty much make all of my wigs. And I know I have said it plenty of times, and I said it all last year, that I will come on here and show you guys how I make my wigs, and I never did, and that's my fault, and I'm going to fix that. I promise. It's coming up. Give me about 2 to 3 weeks and you will have that video. So from here on out, most likely, if I'm gonna make a wig, I'll probably just stick with closures. I did frontals for a very long time, and they are just time consuming, and they just, I don't know, they just take a lot of work and a lot of detail, and I just prefer like a pre-made wig, and then I can go in and kind of perfect the frontal a little bit by doing a little bit of plucking, a little bit here and there, and then I'm good to go. I think I'm just gonna stick with closures for a good minute, simply because I'm lazy. I don't really know. I really just want to do something different, and that's really all. That's all I got. I just want something different. So yeah, you guys, I don't want to make this longer than it needs to be. The hair is beautiful. It's always beautiful. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Marii, and also don't forget to check the description box to make sure you've got all the details, any coupon codes down there, so that you can save some money. And yeah, if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, please put them down below. You know I will come back and answer you as soon as I can. And that is it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.